Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com. Here today sharing with you our open element cold air kit for the S550 Mustang. This cold air kit builds on the same technology that we put into the closed air box, which was based loosely off of the technology from the factory air box. This was utilizing the fresh air that gets fed in right through the front bumper. So, one of the things that's great about it is you get fresh air coming into it, it seals to the hood, it is a proper cold air intake. This means that it keeps intake air temperatures down. That means more performance. Now speaking of performance, this has a 114 millimeter inlet tube at the MAF sensor. That is huge. So it also means that more air can get into the car. What's also important to note though is this will require tune because the factory ECU simply can't accommodate for such a large MAF inlet. One of the great things about this airbox is that it really is right in between the stock airbox, which works pretty well, and our closed top airbox, which is phenomenal. This also works with 15 plus Mustangs without trimming the engine cover. So if you've got a 15-17 and you move into an 18-19 or 20, you can take the airbox with you. So this really is a nice blend. And there is performance there. Once again, because it seals to the hood, it's going to keep intake air temperatures down. Because of that 114 millimeter MAF inlet, it's going to increase horsepower, especially when added with a premium tune. So make sure you stick with someone that knows what they're doing, including us when it comes to providing a tune for this kit. If you'd like to learn more about this cold air kit, as well as many of the other great products we offer for your Mustang, visit us at Steeda.com. If you enjoyed the contents of this video, be sure to click like and share it with other enthusiasts, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.